Introducing our Tufskinz topside front fender accent strips for the 2020 and newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. This two-piece kit has been precisely cut to fit the centermost section of both the right and left side front fenders, and is compatible with both the factory red reflectors as well as our aftermarket red LED reflectors. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, they begin with a high quality substrate such as real carbon fiber like this kit here. They're then coated with a UV resistant top coat that protects the kits from Mother Nature, and they're then backed with a 3M VHB backing tape for maximum adhesion. Now today I'll be walking you through the installation of this kit on our Shop 2020 Spyder RT, so let's get started. Start by test fitting the pieces so that you'll know how they'll fit up. Then thoroughly clean the surface area with alcohol and let that sit for a minute to dry. Now for proper adhesion, be sure to install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now peel back a small section of protective backing tape. Line it up so that it's straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections as you go. And then repeat that process for the other side. So if these front fender accent strips are something you'd like to see on your 2020 or newer Spyder RT, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.